Good morning, everybody. Today is travel day.
Yeah.
Yes,
Somebody did that wrong.
It's a Saturday travel day. Here, leaving Boulder Beach at Lake Mead Campground, and we had to dump tanks on our way out. So we are leaving. We had a very nice several days here. Beautiful.
I go here.
Yep, right here.
Okay.
Follow that white car.
Alrighty.
That white Kia. Yeah, they make it kind of a tight turn, don't they?
Yep.
Turn left on Lakeshore Road.
Turn right on Lakeshore Road, enter Timmy Street.
So, did not only our trip planner give us a Saturday travel day, it's actually a longer travel day than normal.
There it is.
Hey, I'm not the driver. You are. You're the one that's got to deal with it.
Piece of cake. It's only 50 miles farther than we normally go.
Yeah.
Turn left onto Lakeshore Road.
Clear. So it's not a brutal travel day. Well, we hope it isn't, right?
No, it's not.
It isn't. It's going to be great. It's going to be great.
Continue 2 miles to the end of the street, then turn left.
So we said see ya to Bob and Pearl, and actually Pete and Debbie left this morning also, but we said goodbye to them yesterday. So, because they were going to leave early. So, it's a lovely sunny day.
On our way to Arizona.
Heading to Arizona. There's Lake Mead. You kids ready? Bear's in her corner as usual. Kaylee, you ready to go ride? Huh? First stop's in about a half an hour for fuel.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
What? You were saying?
Some idiot jacked up this RV so much, now you can't block the wind. It always comes rushing under the RV.
No more wind block for us. But that's okay. We'd much rather not have the wind block
Yes.
and have very high clearance.
Yes. So we can go places like this.
We are at what we call the gravel pit.
The Lake
South.
Havasu Gravel Pit.
That's what we call it.
Actually,
Is that
that's
what
what
it's
it is
called?
on, I think it's iOverlander. I'm not sure. I think that's what
Okay.
it was.
Well, we stayed here once before for a couple nights. And here we are here for just one night.
One night. It's a quickie.
One night.
Hey,
I know.
2 in 1 day.
Yeah, did y'all see our Saturday video? Yeah, sorry we didn't get a chance to show you around Boulder Beach Campground, but we'll leave that for Bob and Pearl.
Yeah.
Anyway, we made it. It was a little bit longer of a travel day today. We actually eliminated one stop.
Yeah, we did.
Because we didn't need to.
We
it
didn't
was a
really
little-
need fuel. We only stopped once for
One
fuel.
time, and then we stopped and ate lunch, and then we got here. And it's 3:15 local time, which is really 2:15 our time.
2:15 tummy time.
We've been calling it tummy time ever since the clocks changed because Kaylee's like asking for her food an hour early. She's like, my tummy says it's time to eat.
Well, now we're back to that.
We're back to the right time,
We're
yeah.
back to the right time in Arizona.
Yes.
Arizona.
Yep. Oh, alrighty. Let's get in there and get set up and then relax the rest of the
Relax.
afternoon,
For the afternoon,
and then get up and go tomorrow.
and then get up and go tomorrow. Funny, I keep hearing this somewhere else.
Is there an echo?
Is there an echo?
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.